Get out of the way, please.
Come here. I'm about to just
Get out of the road.
This is not like I can do that.
Jared, get in it and drive it.
I can't. What? Ready, Peter? Jesus. What are you doing?
Get out of the way.
Finally.
About time.
That took like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start pushing that hoe.
Jared's cleaning Lily. You just can't. Just leave it. It's too far. There's Mama.
Mom, we took her off-roading. Yeah, look at it. It's filthy. Look over here. Yeah, we barely even started cleaning it.
You serious?
We took her off-road and she got filthy.
What'd you get?
Look right there. Dirt was everywhere.
How much was it?
I told you already.
I threw it away, man.
Where's this cup?
I put my other one in to be sized up. The one you got me?
Okay. Did they have it in the record?
No, she said, but that's okay. She's gonna do it anyways.
Oh, move out of the way, please, Ricky. If I can get the kids.
Hey, yo, let me borrow the water hose.
We just got home maybe 30 minutes ago from the.
Did you lower the temperature?
Yeah. I don't know what to. I just cranked it down.
How are you?
So we've been staying busy, riding bikes. They were all. I mean, they rode for several hours. I think Tori's sunburned again, Mom. Look at her arms, Mariah.
This thing is filthy, dude. This is like ridiculously filthy.
No, could be worse. It's Mom's way of saying enough of none of your business.
He said, how much was it? I said, enough.
I heard him. Cameron, so how's
Your birthday.
your pre-birthday day?
It's good.
What was the favorite car we drove today?
Porsche.
Test drove a Porsche Boxster.
Yeah, it's sweet.
It was awesome.
Freaking awesome.
The gloves will keep you from getting too many blisters.
Yeah.
Cool.
Here we go.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Why don't you turn on your radio, Jared?
We'll run down my battery.
Yeah, well. Not if you don't do it too long.
Can you still in the ignition?
Yeah. Just turn it on to where the lights aren't on.
Daddy, can I get on top so I just can get over there?
Yeah, just easily. Don't dent it.
Alright, go. We're gonna get it.
That's alright, you can just leave it off.
What?
You can leave it off if you want. Jared, what else you want for your birthday? Jared, what do you want for your birthday?
Probably a new deck.
New what?
A new deck.
What deck?
A deck. A skateboard with wheels.
Oh, yeah. Nothing for the car?
What?
What about for the car?
Probably like some seat covers or steering wheel covers. Brakes.
I'm just glad we can finally drive it.
What?
I'm glad we can finally drive it.
Yeah. It's better than nothing.
Better than that piece of junk we saw at the swap meet that day.
Oh, heck yeah.
Remember that
Too
junky,
bad that was this.
that junky Baja we saw?
Yeah, that was ours. You know what? Forget this. It's going full-fledged. I'm cleaning my car and I'm having fun with it.
Cool. Why don't you try the sponge?
What?
The sponge.
Okay.
If Tori's done with it. Tori's gonna.
Just need it real fast.
Go ahead, Tori.
Switch me the sponge.
Where's hers?
It's right there.
Over here in the grass, honey.
Daddy, can I ride my bike on my babysit?
Oh,
As
yeah.
long as you have shoes on.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Woo!
Hold on, do that again. You look like one of them Hooters guys.
Oh, yeah.
So how was Hooters for lunch?
What?
How was your Hooters for lunch?
Oh, it was awesome. They were big.
Big burgers, you mean?
Oh, yeah, big burger spew. Oh, so, darling.
Dad, can you turn it off a little?
Honey, it's pinched right there. You need to unpinch it.
You see Cameron's cake?
Yeah, it's good. Oh, thank you.
What are y'all gonna sing to me?
It's not your birthday yet, dude.
I got breakfast food for tomorrow morning. To cook for breakfast.
Daddy, I'm going to get my shoes on.
What, baby?
She wants someone to unpinch that. I don't want anything.
Birthday, Mom?
Told you.
Mom.
You got me a $500 bed liner. What, Jared?
I said, I think for my birthday, Mom, I'm gonna want some seat covers and the steering cover and the brakes. You know, so I can really
Is
ride.
that what you want for your birthday?
It's on camera. You're just gonna have to watch it. I really don't feel like saying it yet.
You want seat covers, steering cover, and
Brakes.
brakes?
Well, cover and brakes. Oh, and a completely new bed.
He doesn't have brakes.
No.
How do you freaking
Got
drive?
parking brakes.
Emergency brake.
Oh, like,
Shorty, you know.
Oh, did you show him the 8 tracks?
No.
Mom, what'd you at? What'd you
Why
tell
don't you
him?
show them? Why don't you try it? Maybe you can get it to work, Mariah. They're right in there. Maybe it'll work for you. You got that touch. Huh?
No.
What is it?
All right, give me the water hose.
Something.
I need it now.
Jared, hold on.
Hurry up, you fruit.
Who is that?
me. In your face.
Take care.
need to pull up your little swimsuit thingies.
Who?
What is that thing?
That's what I said. I'm like,
It's
You don't want to see
8-track.
that.
Go sit down in the passenger seat and Mom will show you.
Does he have an 8-track?
He does in his truck, in his car. You don't want what I got you, Dad?
I don't know what it is. Move,
You want it, Dad.
Quickie.
I know you do.
yes.
move, please.
And if you don't know, you will.
Well, let me see it.
I'll start off.
Cameron wants it if you don't.
Well, let me see it.
No, I want it. I want it if you don't.
Oh, I called it first.
No, actually, I called it. You got it.
It's okay.
Look at his bling.
Is that
What's it
that?
for, though? Is it a?
Yeah, look at it.
To match mine?
Oh.
Let me see. Dude, that's pimp.
That's what Cameron said.
You should wear it. Or is
Should
your
be.
ring too fat?
I'm not a pimp.
Look at Mariah's new
I
ring.
mean, I'm OG,
Where?
but I'm not a pimp.
They don't match.
They're both white gold.
And
White gold is
I have
Here,
white
let's
gold.
get this on camera.
What? Oh, Dad!
Wait,
It's a good thing it's outside.
See me lift up out of the chair?
Do you like it?
Look at Miss Harley.
I know.
Daddy, can I go with you?
Just as far as where I can see you, like to the front of that car only.
Thanks for helping find it, Harley.
Miss bathing suit.
Good job, Harley.
Hey, Jared, we got a Johnny Cash 8-track.
No.
Yeah, look, come here.
Do they got the ring of fire?
I don't know.
I don't think so.
I want a ring for my 14th birthday.
Get 2 quart out on a ring.
Are you really?
Yeah, that'd be tight. So I could have me some blinga 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 blinga. For my 15th.
What'd your mom and Mimi get you for your birthday?
Oh, they haven't got me nothing yet.
What are they going to get you?
I don't know.
Jared,
Don't.
don't wash the truck, honey.
I want to get a crossbow pistol.
Jared,
so if
stop!
someone tries to, you know,
While she's drying it.
Get Tori wet.
Hello. Who's
Oh,
that,
see, that's
Mom?
why you be
Hey,
slipping.
Miss Brooks.
You be tripping.
Good, how are you? Yeah, we're making the kids labor.
So wrong.
Thanks.
What ain't wrong? You ain't done nothing all day but sit.
I walked around the mall.
Yeah, Brooke, you need to get some exercise.
Yeah, but I don't need it.
I know you don't need it.
I think you bought.
Woo, about to clean the top. Did that get the back?
It's okay. Just don't spray the engine.
This is why these rails are
Yeah,
here.
you can stand on that one, but not the other one.
Dude, that top is like all like,
Hey, I did a good job on that top.
dude,
Huh?
you saw it, didn't it? Look, I can like see the spot.
Well, I know, but it's a pretty good job.
Yeah.
Compared to what it was.
What?
Compared to what it was.
How much primer you got left?
None.
You sucked it all up?
Yep. The good thing is I'm rich. I can get more.
No, you ain't rich.
What's up, Cambo?
Dude, if you hit my can, I'm gonna kill you.
Oh, hush.
why is it gray?
Because that's what color we painted it. Because primer is the coat of paint that goes under the regular paint.
Why don't you paint it?
Because you gotta paint it with a professional gun. You can't just spray it on. Because I can't see you. Don't go that far. Turn around. Where are you?
We have 2007 Boxsters for $14,950.
Really?
Buy it now. Think eBay.
For 2007? Holy cow, that's cheap.
And they have like a 2004 for 57.
Brooke, is Harley up?
I wish people would have hit my car. Jacob did hit my car today. I wish he hit my dad's car.
Yeah, you'll be alright.
I hit your car too.
You hit your car?
Well, it's red. All of it.
Water in your country alone is dead.
Daddy, you like your car?
You did great. Looks very good.
Promise?
Oh yeah, look at it shining.
Shining like the inside of my pants.
Go, Harley! Go, Harley! Woo! Turn around and come back. Or not.
What'd you do?
She just kept going.
Hustling, hustling. What?
So there we go.
All I'm doing is cleaning my
Good job, Tor.
Thank you. Ricky's gonna help me clean Mom's car.
Look up.
What?
Talking to Harley to watch where she's going.
They don't know what my hood's out. Oh, crap. How's soap on for?
No, you do yours. They'll do Mom's. Watch where you're going.
I'm using this. Oh, good.
Then can I go all the way over to your school right there?
Just where I can watch you.
Can I go like to that beach right there?
Yeah. Might want to slow down.
That was fast. That took me like 100 miles.
What?
That took me like 100 miles.
100 miles an hour?
Yeah.
Just be careful.
I'm like, whoa.
I don't want to video you wrecking. What? What?
Did you sit in the chair? Did you move my wrist up to my neck?
What?
And getting on like that.
Good. You've done really good. Today's your first day to ever ride a bike. You've come a long way. It's in my pocket. Look up.
Tori, are you coming?
Oh, I'm gonna act surprised. Ready? Here, move. Oh, Jacob. I just meant to pull out the bench. Get up! Hurry! Dad's
You okay?
You hit my foot.
You
Sorry,
okay?
Daddy.
Are you okay?
Jay, I'm sorry. Give me a hug. Okay,
Get
sorry.
off! I'm put up with you. Oh my God, cake for me.
That's true, you have.
But you wish.
I'm 13. Yay!
Yeah, when you're 13, I'll be 21.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, dear Cambo.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to
Cha.
Oh, honey.
Blow out the camera. You're awesome, man.
That wouldn't take the picture enough. I was holding it
Okay,
down.
one more time. Brookie didn't get a picture.
No, it's okay.
Right.
Reset.
That's okay. How many time we done this?
I'm kidding, Cameron.
Do not pull that out.
He can do whatever he wants with it. Hey, Cameron, look at all these kids that came to your party.
Sorry. Not that we had a choice or anything. I mean,
Man, I wanted to invite some of my friends, but Mom was
too bad.
It's not Mom's party.
Mom paid for it.
Man, look at that sunburn.
Dude, it's my bra straps.
Wow.
Yeah, he
Got
was
them double
chilling with his
Ds.
bra.
Sports
An
bra.
A- cup.
Got the A. Got the
Keep
D,
it that
double
way,
D's.
okay.
Hmm?
I don't want to make cake.
No, you're coming back in here.
Too bad you have to.
Harley, where's Harley? Oh, there you are, Harley. Mom, that was about. I cut the grip tape better than that.
Yeah, right.
Dude, that looks so good. Look at that. Look, it looks pretty nice from far away.
Yeah, when you're
Far
skateboarding at 70 miles an hour.
Yeah, well, that's the point.
I will.
Here, Cam.
Do I can eat those two? No, you can lick the bottom.
You can eat
I
it
don't
if
want
you
it.
can.
Here, Harley.
You can eat it if you can survive the pain of the
Wow.
I
diet.
want.
Here, I want one.
I want one.
I'm 3 years old.
1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, baby.
Whoever grabbed it. Can I cut the cake? Are you capable?
That was nasty. Cookie sucking her thumb,
Jared's
guys.
1 years old.
Not
George, you put that whole candle in your
Mom,
mouth.
I'm 1 year old. Yeah, I act like that every day.
Oh, then you're gonna have to wait.
Now I
Tori,
really
you
don't
okay?
want that piece.
Tori, you okay? Not
I'm
feeling
gonna
well?
take it. I get that one.
And I get.
Can I light this and like try to eat it?
You can kill yourself.
No, you can't. Once you close your mouth, it'll go out.
Which piece you want, Cameron?
Oh man, that's great! Oh yeah!
Good one,
I'll
Kimba.
get it. Let me help you.
Here,
Pick it up.
get it with your mouth, Cam.
Do it. Get it with your mouth, Cameron.
Can I go?
Dad's back.
Can I go like?
That's
smack,
respect.
Can I smack my face into it?
Take your glasses off first, man.
Oh no, we're gonna have to eat this cake, and he hasn't even made his hair go.
Oh my God, I'm getting
Ready?
Teamwork. Cameron!
Don't let me hit the camera.
Do it hard, like bam!
Cameron. No more eating cake tonight.
Woo, man, that was gonna.
That was
Close
nasty.
your eyes.
That was nasty.
Man, dude, you got cake all up in your hair. She's like.
Camera, Here's a piece of cake.
Mommy, can I have that one?
I want one that ass and touch his head.
I
want
This one. I call this one
I
right
want
here.
this one.
He didn't touch that one, so I'm getting it.
Oh my god. Okay, assistance.
Hey, in the shower, yeah.
Oh, no, don't get
No, get away from me.
Okay, Brooke, I got it.
I can't wait till my birthday. I'm just gonna like sit in it or something. Like I'm gonna put my whole body in it. And I want the non-hair touch. No, like that whole one.
Bedroom.
You're not gonna eat it.
You ain't gonna bet? I'll put you $80 right here. It itches, y'all.
Tori, do you want to
Go wash it off, man.
It's fake cake.
He's freaking out now.
What's up? Crap.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just smeared it. Okay.
Might want to put some water on your face and wash.
God.
What? Just wash it off. Put some. Sicko.
Ew.
Get some water and wash your face and hair. You might need a shower.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Oh, dang it.
Or
Yeah, I'm gonna
just-
jump in real
alright,
quick.
Well, just put the rag down, jump in.
Let's go.
You're gonna get it on your shirt. I ain't going with you.
Oh,
You're on your own, man.
It's already on my shirt.
Yeah, well, try to pull it way out or something. In the front. There you go.
Okay.
Awesome.
Let's go. All right.
Do
Out.
work in the shower.
Do work. Do work. Oh, dang. Holy cow.
Oh, look at me. He's gonna do it.
Get away.
God, my face.
I'll separate.
Dad, you want a piece?
No.
I
Thank
got
you.
you a piece saved in there.
Okay, thank you. Come here, Mommy O. Eggs. What you doing, Jared? What you doing, man? What you doing? Where you going? I didn't say you could go anywhere. Where are you going? Tor, Harley. Go turn off the light. Unless Harley's in there. How are you today?
What?
Hmm?
What?
How's your face? Sunburn.
Not somewhere.
You're not sunburned today?
Not on my face.
Oh, just your arms?
Yeah.
How are they?
They hurt.
Still?
Yes.
Did you sleep okay with them?
No.
Do you have a long sleeve shirt?
No. And I ain't gonna wear one. Even if I did. You're annoying, Dad.